God himself brought you here because he wants to speak life into your destiny. He knows you are tired. He knows you've been under pressure. But hear me. This year is not over for you. If God is still on the throne, your miracle can still happen. God is not done with you. Hope is the anchor of your destiny. Hebrews 6 verse 19. Hebrews 6 verse 19 says, "Which hope we have as an anchor of the soul." Hope is what keeps you standing when everything around you is shaking. Hope is what keeps you praying when nothing seems to be changing. Hope is the silent voice inside you whispering, "Don't give up. God is still working." Tell them, as long as you have hope, your future is secure. God does his greatest miracles at the end. Jesus came on the fourth day to raise Lazarus when men had given up, meaning your miracle may come when the calendar says it's too late. God restored Job after his worst season, meaning this last part of the year can still carry your biggest blessing. Hope is a spiritual force that activates heaven. Romans 4 verse 18 says of Abraham, "Who against hope believed in hope." This means, even when logic says give up, even when time says it's too late, even when people say you've failed, hope says, "My God is too faithful to fail me." Abraham was nearly 100 years old before Isaac came. If God could move then, he can move for you in November, December, even on December 31st. God is not limited by time. 2 Peter 3 verse 8 says, "One day is with the Lord as 1,000 years." God can give you one miracle that erases 10 years of delay. He can give you one breakthrough that shifts your family forever. He can give you one opportunity that changes your financial story. A single day of favor can recover what you lost in a decade. Why people lose hope. Teach the emotional connection. Delayed expectations. Repeated disappointments. Frustration. Comparison with others. Spiritual attacks. Fatigue from waiting. Fear that time is running out. Tell them, your hope died because the enemy attacked it, not because God failed. Psalm 27 verse 13. I would have fainted unless I had believed. People faint, quit, because they lose hope. But you will not faint. Your hope is coming alive again. Hope must be fed with God's word. Romans 15 verse 4 says, "Through the comfort of the scriptures we might have hope." Meaning, if you starve your spirit of the word, your hope will die. Every time you read the word, hope rises. Every time you hear teaching, hope stands. Every time you hear prophecy, hope ignites. Feed your hope, and your hope will feed your future. What hope does for your life? Hope sharpens your vision, ignites your faith, strengthens your spirit, attracts divine help, positions you for last-minute breakthroughs, opens doors men closed, keeps you alive spiritually. Isaiah 40 verse 31 says, "They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength." Hope renews you. Hope refuels you. Hope repositions you. Pray this prayer. Father, revive my hope again. Everything in me that became discouraged, restore it. Every delay that drained my courage, reverse it. Every disappointment that weakened me, heal me. Lord, let hope rise like fire inside me. My destiny will not die. My dreams will not die. I will not give up because you are still on the throne. This is why you should not give up. The year is not over. God is still moving. God does miracles at midnight. God does miracles in the final hour. God specializes in last-minute turnarounds. God is not bound by human calendars. God works fastest when time looks finished. Exodus 14. God opened the Red Sea when Pharaoh was already near, meaning God waits until the situation looks impossible so he can prove himself. If you don't give up, God will not give up on you. Galatians 6 verse 9. And let's not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. Meaning, your miracle is guaranteed, as long as you don't quit. Hope makes you attract opportunities. When you speak with hope, people notice, doors open, helpers appear, favor rests on you, energy flows, ideas come alive. Proverbs 23 verse 18. Surely there is an end, and your expectation shall not be cut off. What you expect is what you experience. Hope gives birth to faith. Faith is the substance of things hoped for. Hebrews 11 verse 1. If hope dies, faith loses its foundation, meaning your miracle begins with hope. Before the healing, you must hope. Before the job, you must hope. Before the breakthrough, you must hope. Where hope ends, miracles end. Where hope rises, miracles rise. Hope will make you try again. Peter tried all night and caught nothing. Jesus said, "Try again." He obeyed, and he caught more fish than his boat could carry. Tell them, just because it didn't work before doesn't mean it won't work now. The best testimony is always the last testimony. God rewards those who refuse to quit. Psalm 126 verses 5 to 6. They that sow in tears shall reap in joy. Your tears are not wasted. Your prayers are not wasted. Your sacrifices are not wasted. God keeps records and rewards persistence. I prophesy, you will finish this year well. You will not end this year empty-handed. You will not carry this disappointment into the next year. Your hope is rising. Your doors are opening. Your miracle is manifesting. Everything that made you cry this year, God will turn it into laughter. This last part of the year will deliver your biggest testimony. Repeat boldly, I will not give up. My hope is alive. This year will end in my favor. God will surprise me. My testimony will shake the world. Before you go, comment where you're watching from so we can keep praying for you. Like this message, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe so you don't miss the next prophetic teaching.